Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick just little craft with me. I'm going to be making some basically Dollar Tree glass jar charms. I'm sure everybody's done it, but Christina gifted me some, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some of those too.
And then Adriana Alvarez was selling them on her Etsy shop as well.
And they're just so cute and dainty. And I think there's even smaller jars available somewhere. She added a little lobster clasp to the top of this and then a dangle as well. So it's like a charm and a dangle in one. So I am totally just gonna use, this is my Creative Mojo wholesale kit. It came with like little tiny spoons, which are perfect for this. And literally you just fill these bad boys up. How cute. Fill this as much as it lets me. I feel like I have so many jars like this, you guys. It's not even funny. Different sizes, shapes, plastic, glass, not glass. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Barely Arts glue just to the rim of the stopper. I feel like you could probably use, what's that clear stuff? I mean, this dries clear. But the stuff that like starts out, glossy accents, that's what I was trying to. Screw head pins. I have different sizes. I'm probably gonna use a bigger one and just screw that in. So easy, so fast. You can probably crank a bunch of these out if you just fill them all first. Look how cute. Look how cute. This is gonna look, you guys. Oh, you know what? I should probably stick it like this. That way you can still use the clasp. But I'm gonna loop it on so that the physical clasp can be used to, you know, adhere it to something else versus grabbing this like so. And then I'm gonna add like a little baby dangle. Look at literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and I should attach it to the main one. I hate when I'm working with this stuff because then I'm like, oh, I already closed it and I need it to be open. Story of my life. And I have a love-hate relationship with the like pliers that are magnetized so that, you know, it's supposed to help you so your stuff's not, you know, dropping is easy, but it's kind of a pain sometimes. Like, look at this. Like, I'll be like trying to get something and I've got 50 jump rings sticking to my stuff. It's a little bit of a pain. Okay, and now I am going to add some charmy charms. Okay, so for these, because they are so tiny, I'm going to use my smaller charms. So I have these tiny little beads I just hauled, bees, tiny little hearts, and tiny little stars. These are all from AliExpress. And then I do want to add some wire wrap beads. And you guys, if you did not see my unboxing from Kayla or on Kayla's channel, she gifted me the most amazing, like I can't even, I mean it opens up like this, but I'm gonna pull it out through the side, box of wire wrap beads that, girl, I will be using for my whole life. Look how stinking cute these are, you guys, and they are just perfect. We need some little ones. This little blue one. Okay, so I'm just gonna add all of these on, and I could probably speed up. Look how cute it's looking. And I'm gonna add one more like tiny thing at the bottom. I'll probably do a heart on this one. Like, I need to be like the have you guys seen Toy Story? I think it's 3. Where the little guy that fixes Woody, he's got those like fancy glasses that magnified times 20, little tweezers and stuff. I feel like that's what I need to do this. Okay, look how adorable this is. Don't mind the white glue, it will dry. And there you go, you have a little dangle charm. And I will do all these and then show you guys. Okay, so I finished, and you guys, these things are so stinking cute. Got that one, the one with the little bee. Like, look at these. They are, I feel like anything miniature automatically makes it cute. It's kind of like to me, a baby is really cute, and then they turn toddler and you're like, eh. Just because, you know, it's that baby, the babiness of it that makes it so itty bitty and cute. And all these like super tiny little charms and wire wrap beads that Kayla gifted are just the perfect little thing for this. As you can see, the glue dried, clear, and good. This one has the star. So now I can wrap these up and gift them. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.